world is passing very critical situation due to COVID-19 pandemic. The situation is not improving day by day, increasing death rate all over the world. Coronavirus is a one kind of infectious disease. If we conscious, we can protect ourselves and our family against coronavirus. In this video, I'll show you very easy 10 tips that if you follow, you can protect you and your family from COVID-19. Please subscribe the channel due to get notification next video of the health and safety. Okay, let's start. COVID-19 safety measures 1. Stay at home. That is to called please stay at home, save yourself and save your family. If you maintain social distance, so COVID-19 you could not affect. Now you can say how you pass at home. You can office work from home. You can spend time with your children. You can teach your children and you can many things to develop personal yourself. This is way stay at home. Number 2. Safety measures 2. Frequently hand wash. According to World Health Organization telling us you have to be frequently hand washed by hand sanitizer. Practicing hand and respiratory hygiene is important all for times and the best way to protect others and yourself. When possible, maintain at least 1 meter or 3 feet distance between yourself and others. This is especially important if their symptoms may be mild. Maintaining a physical distance with everyone is a good idea if you are in area where COVID-19 is circulating. That is to call who are affected coronavirus. It could not express no sign and symptom. That's why you maintain social distance, wear a mask and you could be protect against coronavirus. Safety measures 3. Wear PP or synthetic fabric dress. If you want to go outside for office possible, wear PP or synthetic type fabric dress such as virus not smoothly stay synthetic fabric. I am telling you, if you want to go to outside, if possible you wear a PP dress. If not possible, at least you have to wear synthetic type fabric dress because synthetic type fabric dress coronavirus could not stay smoothly long time. Safety measures 4. Maintain distance at work. If we go to office, we have to maintain social distance. Look at the picture. Here, variety kinds of work is running. If you follow social distance, so you can protect yourself from coronavirus. Safety measures 5. During shopping, maintain social distance. During shopping, wear masks and make sure maintain social distance. Safety measure 6. After coming from office or shopping, just put your shopping bag. Your shopping bag, put a safe area in your house that anybody cannot touch. And then you will go straight for bath. Also, you wear dress open in that dress open and put it at least 1 hour with detergent powder. And then wash your dress and then put at least 2 hours in sunny side. If you maintain these measures, you can protect from coronavirus. Coronavirus safety measure 7. Regular clean the items. Look at the picture. This item should be cleaned regular by hand sanitizer. These kinds of items use at our office. These kinds of use, suppose here wallet, money, credit card, pen, watch, sunglasses we use during our traveling, during our office work. We use such kinds of items. After coming from office, as soon as possible should be cleaned by hand sanitizer. Safety measures 8. Wash fruits and vegetables. After coming from office or shopping, should be cleaned very carefully fruit and vegetable by flow water. Put slightly warm water 10 minutes. Salad items left during COVID-19 pandemic. I am telling you, after purchasing some vegetable or fruits or any kinds of household things, you have to wash flow water like vegetable, fruits. Look at the picture, washing fruits, washing vegetables. You know well what kind of items you can be washed by full water, what can be item could not wash by water. You have to apply common sense. Safety measures 9. Eat immune booster food. Some food items that booster immune system, so keep in daily food. Look at the picture. I have listed at least 15 kinds of food. Actually, almost every item we eat every day. If you eat regularly these kinds of foods, immune system will be rapidly grow. So we have to eat such kinds of foods. Last measures, COVID-19 safety measures 10. I am telling you, if you take 2 times green tea in a day with lemon, ginger, honey and spices, so it will be grow your immune system. And not only this, you get freshness. So please follow very easy 10 tips for COVID-19 safety measures. Keep safe yourself and your family. I think it is very easy rules. Just you will be conscious and you will follow these rules and you can protect from coronavirus and stop spreading from coronavirus. Thank you very much.